Okay, before Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Chapter 1, Introduction. A background with still many advanced and disadvantages of national education. Practice need to immediately improve and reform education as a form of investment in human resources which are expected to compete in the global era. Science and technology education holds great role to prepare the country towards a future that is increasingly laden with the problems of new and emerging one after another. As the above description, development of science and technology must be blend religious propaganda system so as not to produce souls and skins or justifies in any means. Problem formulation. Number 1. What is education? Number 2. How is the role of education for the future of the nation? The nation. C. Purpose. Number 1. Want to know what is education? Number 2. Want to find out how the role of education for the future of the nation. Chapter 2. Discussion. E. The importance of an education. Education is a conscious and premeditated attempt to create an atmosphere of learning and the learning process so that this area actively developing the potential for him to have the spiritual power of religion, self-control, personality, intelligence, character, and skill need him society, nation, and state. The explanation is obvious that education is domains is forming a national identity that includes their domains, namely cognitive, affective, and psychomotor, reliability, or quality of education will affect the life of a nation and society both now and the future. Thus, the ability of the nation in the face of the future is determined by the management and education system that is running. Improving education can be done giving alternate and priority on education. Improvement in the of-system strategies, input and output as the substance of educational attainment. Yes. B. Education and the future of the nation. Since which realizing it, we have received the education of parents about many things. Parents are the first teachers, time for us to ask the little thing to bake. Over time, the definition of education waits. Yes. Okay. Chapter 3. A conclusion. Having discussed in the previous chapter, the author can draw the conclusion that as revealed that just of the importance of education. Education is all areas of livelihood in selecting and fostering a good life which in accordance with human dignity. And certainly from the statement we can call that education is very important and cannot be spared from life. Yeah. From life become a development nation is currently an ideal to be achieved by each country in the world. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.